how to easily change font across your subtitles in the project. You create captions, but then you want to change the size, the color of the font, everything. But you want to change it for all the captions, not just one bit. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's super simple, actually. Once you have your captions generated, don't just click on a single caption, because if you change the properties, so the font size and color, as you know, it's only going to change for the selected one. And that's why you cannot do it this way. How you do it, I'm gonna tell you an amazing shortcut as well. But first, I'm gonna explain to you the tool that you're going to need for this, which is Track Select Forward tool, and the shortcut is A. So you select your tool or hit A as a shortcut. You have to hold down the Shift key, and what it does, it's only going to select the specific track that you want, that you have your cursor on. Everything that is unlocked in that entire track is going to be selected from start to finish. So once you have all the captions selected and highlighted, you can now change them, all of them. So you go into your properties panel and you change the font, the position, the color, everything. And it's going to change for every single caption that you have selected in your timeline. Super easy. If you want to speed up your workflow in Premiere Pro, I put together a PDF guide. I have trained over 1,000 people and they all have different questions, right? I've put together the simplest, easiest to follow Premiere Pro guide. It's not 500 pages, it's exactly what you need to become faster editor. And I would recommend to print it and have it on your office, desk, to be able to see the shortcuts you need, to be able to see, oh, this means this. Okay, so if I click here, I'm gonna solve 2 hours of Googling what's wrong. You can find it in the description of this video. I would say this is like 100% must. I have spent so much research putting together exactly what people wanted and needed to become super fast editors. Because if you do something that should take you 5 minutes, but you're spending 2 hours on it, that's not right. If you found this video helpful, use the thanks button to say thank you. And I'll see you next time.